Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we will be covering a sneaker that originally released back in 2021, but I was able to snag a pair on a restock. These are the Nike Dunk Low Dusty Olives. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a sneaker that originally released in 2021, but we were able to get a restock on these. I did take an L back then, so I was really excited to see these back on the market, and I definitely didn't wait and decided to pull the trigger and snag a pair of these. So again, these are known as the Dusty Olive Dunks. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really fun color combination. Then we'll conclude with how well these are currently doing on the resale market. So as far as the inspiration behind this is inspired by the Rogue color clashing band of the Misfits from 2001. And you can definitely say that this dusty color scheme really just works perfectly. Again, I am a biased person because I love a good olive toned color scheme. Anything with olive on it, I'm pretty drawn to, so I'm going to go after it. But this is definitely staying true to the beautiful, ugly ethos of, you know, the offbeat and mix of the group itself. But as far as the color combination goes, I think they just nailed it with a light shade of this olive hue and a nice tone of brown. And of course, very super high-end, high quality materials that they decided to go with on this. We've got these goldenrod toned laces that really pop off of the chocolatey brown nylon tongue, which is outlined again in that olive hue, bringing all of the olive accents together perfectly. And then we've got Nike and the swoosh mark and that nice pop of yellow to match the lace set. And then the interior of that tongue is in a nice just olive tone. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around at the side panels, we've got underlays of that nice smooth chocolatey brown tone, overlays of this light kind of khaki tone for the swoosh mark. And then as we wrap around, more of the olive works its way to the back paneling of the collar. And then we've got a different type of texture underneath here in this chocolatey brown hue. The interior is all olive, and hits of this nice orange are there for the branding of the Nike and the swoosh mark. And then as we work to the lateral side of the sneaker, same color blocking as the medial. And the sneaker is brought together with a white midsole and again some nice orangey yellow for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at all of those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size in this one. Typically for my dunks, they fit me perfectly when I stick true to size. It's only my SBs that I like to go half a size up on. All right, so as far as styling goes, again, just really love the color combination of these. A great fall and winter sneaker in my opinion. For the first look, I kept it pretty simple with this nice beige sweater, and I wore some light denim baggy pants. I opted for a dressier feel, so I wore this nice kind of tie-dyed effect mini dress that was ribbed that had some nice olive tones to it. And for the last and final look, I wore my Essentials nice minty fresh sweatsuit, which I feel like that green just matched perfectly with the green hues of this from head to toe.
Somebody tell them that we, yeah, I got the city on my shoulder, straight to the top, yeah, I told you I never drop what I'm holding, yeah. I got the team with me, we gotta go and we on a roll, so we never see defeat. Yeah, lights still shine even when the world's dark, and I still stride even when it gets harder. We stayed steady since the day that we started. No, we ain't stopping, I know we got it. Look, we back now. It's been a minute, foot is on the gas now. Ain't no limits, I swear I can never cap out. Yeah, they don't let me loose, I'ma act out, cause I'm back out. Whoa, look, I'm back now. Back now. Somebody tell them that we back now. Back now. Somebody tell them that we back now.
So now let's talk about how much these are going for on the resale market. So these retailed around $120. They're currently going between $140 to $240. So definitely a lot of people vibing with this color blocking, and I think a lot of people missed out, unfortunately, on the restock. But definitely, if you have these in hand, you will understand as much as I do that this is a great overall looking sneaker, and the qualities are superb. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.
Somebody tell them that we back now. Somebody